country today. Name three, identify at least four negative factors.
So one is the
Think and then answer. Don't rush into it. Very simple question, but you have to think. Identify four. There are several, but I'm asking you four negative factors which are retarding the growth, economic growth of our country.
So the first indicator would be the decreased private investment coming up from the private sector, that is the gross capital formation.
All right. One is private investment is very low. What else?
Then the consumption has also been stagnant
Consumption.
by the
Yes.
There have been global issues. The world GDP growth has decreased, so that has an impact on India's GDP also.
All right.
I can't.
You say consumption is low.
Yes, sir.
Why is it low?
So the consumption has been stagnant over the years. This is majorly,
Don't go into so many details. Why is it low?
sir, because the
But people don't have
are
money
not, yes,
to
sir.
spend.
They are not having money in their
Obviously.
hands. Yes, sir.
Incomes are not right. All right. Have you heard of Act East?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of Act Far East?
Yes, sir.
What is Act Far East and what has India done recently in this respect? Very briefly.
Sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched it in the Far East Summit in Russia recently, and it is majorly related to the Far East region of Russia, where
Why are we interested in Far East region of Russia?
so the Far East region is majorly of huge economic importance.
Why?
It has the natural resources such as
Oil and gas.
oil and gas.
How much have we invested there in the India?
Sir, we have made a commitment of I'm not sure about the exact number, but
$7 billion we have already invested.
okay.
Can you name some important companies? Oil and gas
Sir,
companies?
ONGC has
ONGC is India, Russian.
Russian companies who have invested in India in their.
We have bought their stakes.
Okay. Sorry, sir, I don't remember.
Have you heard of Sakhalin one?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of Vankor Fields? Vankor?
No,
Imperial Energy?
no, sir.
Shah Syaruk? No. All right, we close it.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I'll give you a feedback. Is this your first interview?
Yes, sir. First interview, first attempt.
First attempt? Very good. How old are you?
22.
Excellent. You should be able to do very well. Huh? Very nice, very nice. You, by and large, you have handled your interview nicely.
Yes, sir.
There are gaps in your information.
Yes.
If you will not tell you all individually what all questions we have asked, civil service, why civil service, and ULFA, 370, Kartarpur corridor, etc. All this you will get.
Yes.
You will get a video.
Yes.
You will get full report on what questions we have asked. And look at your answers.
Yes.
Now, we have tried to cover your DAF. In addition, we have tried to ask you questions on current affairs,
Yes.
important matters which relate to our country as well as international field. Since you are a international relations student and public
Yes,
political science, some questions have been asked on that.
Yes.
These are the areas where we would suggest you strengthen your knowledge.
Yes.
कब है आपका इंटरव्यू?
Sir, 17th February.
अभी टाइम है आपके पास?
The first day, sir.
हाँ, एक फोर्टनाइट्स है।
Yes, sir.
तो अब आप 8-10 घंटे रोज पढ़िए और सिस्टमेटिकली पढ़िए। कैसे पढ़ेंगे आप इंडिया के फॉरेन पॉलिसी के इम्पोर्टेंट जो इश्यूज हैं आजकल? Mr. Trump is coming to India. What is his basic, most important things which he has in mind? He is most bothered about economy. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Other things don't interest him so much as economy. What is he aiming at? We were kicked out of that GSP system.
Yes, sir.
You know that GSP?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
General system of reference.
He's willing to restore that, but on certain conditions. So those are the things which you have to study.
Yes, sir.
And then what is happening in India, Supreme Court judgments, important issues, economy, इस पे ही पढ़ते रहिए आप।
Yes, sir.
8 घंटे पढ़िए, 7-8 घंटे रोज, और 8 घंटे में आप सब्जेक्ट बना लीजिए कि इन चीज़ पे मुझे पढ़ना है, और रिवीजन करते जाइए।
Yes, sir.
तो आप देखेंगे 1 हफ्ते में आपकी काफ़ी नॉलेज बढ़ जाएगी।
Yes, sir. So actually, after means I was not in touch with the current affairs for 2 months that year.
That is,
I brush up on the current affairs.
और सुपरफिशियल नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए, कुछ फैक्ट्स फिगर्स भी अगर हो आपके पास, दैट विल स्ट्रेंथन योर आंसर।
Yes.
Otherwise, everything is in your favor, very pleasant personality, you can speak nicely. So go with your head high and chest out. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Check.